Hello students, this is my new next session of online classes. In today's online class, I will discuss chapter 4 of 7th class and name of the chapter is heat and temperature. Previously, I have already discussed the term heat. So students, in today's online class, I will discuss the term temperature, how it can define and measurement of temperature with its different units. Students, see these substances. There are some substances which are hot and substances which are cold. So students, the definition arises of temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of the substances. So students, I think the term temperature is clear to all. Now I will discuss the measurement of temperature. Students, this is the structure for clinical thermometer. This clinical thermometer is a type of thermometer which is used in clinic, or we can say that the doctors can use this type of thermometer. In this diagram, a person has taken thermometer in their hand. So students, I will continue clinical thermometer. Structure of thermometer, it means clinical thermometer. There is in the center of this thermometer a long narrow tube, and the thickness of this thermometer will be same from top to bottom, and normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Students, there is a grayish liquid filled in this clinical thermometer which is known as mercury. This clinical thermometer started with 35 degrees Celsius and end with 42 degrees Celsius. This degree Celsius is the unit of temperature. Students, you can see here a circular part of this clinical thermometer. In this circular part, a narrow tube which is filled with grey color liquid is known as capillary tube, and this grey liquid is mercury. When clinical thermometer heat up with our body temperature or with the help of any candle or any stimuli, the level of mercury will be increases, and this capillary tube bend more. So students, now we can measure the temperature of clinical thermometer. In this diagram, you can see the circular part which has 10 divisions. Divisions means 10 markings. So in the term of degree Celsius, we can say that 10 division means 0.1 degrees Celsius, and if 5 divisions, we can say that 0.2 degrees Celsius. How to use thermometer? When we use thermometer, first of all, it should be washed with antiseptic solution, because the germs which will be killed by this. After this precaution, we can use thermometer. We can use thermometer with the help of tongue. We can measure the temperature. If a healthy person use it, then temperature will be 37.4 degrees Celsius. So students, there are some more units of temperature, that is Kelvin and Fahrenheit, K and F. So thank you students.